Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the alternator on your Honda Odyssey. First, gather your tools, including a serpentine belt tool, 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm sockets. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench. The alternator is typically found on the lower front passenger side of the engine, often requiring removal of some components for access. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Begin by using a 14mm socket on the tensioner to release the serpentine belt, then carefully remove it from the pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire, which is usually secured by a 12mm nut and any other electrical connectors. Finally, remove the two mounting bolts, often a 12mm and a 14mm, that hold the alternator in place. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully maneuver the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Insert both mounting bolts, but only hand tighten them initially. Once both bolts are threaded, you can fully tighten them. Reconnect the main power wire, ensuring the 12mm nut is secure, and then reattach all other electrical connectors. For the final steps, carefully route the serpentine belt around all the pulleys according to the diagram, then release the tensioner. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, securing it with your 10mm wrench. Start the engine and use a multimeter to check the charging voltage at the battery. A healthy alternator should show a reading between 13.5 and 14.5 volts, confirming a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.